Welcome back to DOCONCHAIN. Here are the different ways to upload your document. First is by simply dragging and dropping your document on the DocSign dashboard found at the homepage. Or you may also do this at the DocSign page. The second method is by using the upload button found here, which can also be found on the DocSign page. You can also upload either from your local files or connect directly to your cloud storage such as Google Drive, OneDrive, or Dropbox. Additionally, you can select from your templates folder. Once done, you can now start working. For further instructions on how to work on your project, please proceed to the next video. Thank you.